Hey guys, how are you today? Fixer Pros here. Fixing another phone. We got a Samsung J727. See the screen's cracked, LCD. So this you got to do a full LCD repair. This is the LCD right here. I'll show you in the link where to purchase this. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is start taking the phone apart. So you can take the back off, and you're gonna see this model. The only way to get into this phone is to heat up the front screen. So we're going to heat up the front screen. I'm going to take this off. So as you can see on the new part, that the flex cable is here. It's connected right up here. So we're going to take it off from the top. Just heat it up pretty good. Usually I leave it on a hot plate, but this is the equivalent. Okay, always wear your protective gear on, goggles. So we're gonna start to get this under here, and these pretty much open up pretty easily, but once you've heated them up. So we're going to start opening this up. There's a little more heat. Let's put this over here so I don't break it. And we're going to put our Sysmo in here and start to lift this. So I'm trying to start separating this, and you're going to see that the whole LCD comes out. Little by little. So things are gonna come out. Probably gotta use a little more heat over here. You can see this double tape. It's double taped pretty good. And I'm gonna get all the double tape off, because it never seals right. Okay, so you're going to want to get underneath the LCD. Okay. Take that tape off. Okay, and then you're gonna see where it's connected. I don't know if you can see that, but there's maybe we're gonna heat this up over here as well. Just be careful around here. There are like the light cables, but sometimes they're raised. I forget on this particular model, but we're gonna be careful anyways, because on one of these little models I broke the cable and I had to repair that. It was just like a pain. It's always better to be a little safe than sorry. So we're gonna lift this very carefully. Start getting a little more heat in there. It was the home button flex cable. You know, one side of this, it was exposed. I don't remember if it was this model or one of these little cheap Samsung models. But either way, always be careful. We're gonna see if it's this one. I don't think it's this one. Start gently lift. Okay. Keep heating this up here. Let's see if we can Let's see it. I don't think it was this model. Oh yeah, you see that? Oh no. Looks like the glue. Oh, a few seconds. Oh yeah, you see this one? Yeah. So you gotta be really careful down here, because that's what I did last time. I pierced the flex cable. I'm gonna show you in a second. Yeah, this is the one. You gotta be super, yeah, you see that? If you dig too deep, break these, menu flex cable and the back arrow, and had to order the part, customer had to wait. Always be super careful. Okay, so there we go. See that? So we were careful. Now we're going to pop this open. Remember where that arrow goes, because sometimes I forget. Okay. Those are pretty easy repair once you're done. Taking that stuff out, you want to get all this little tape out. So we're going to use B7000 glue. I like to order the small bottles of the B7 because they always tend to dry up. So instead of buying a big bottle, the whole thing ends up drying up. But so we want to get all this glue out because this is going to make the screen pop up and it's not going to look good. I normally buy phones with the frames already built on, but these Samsungs are, you don't want to do that because they're going to gut the whole phone. I don't even know if they sell them like that anyways, but it's not necessary with these. More expensive models, I probably would. These cheaper models. Okay, so once we get all that glue out, like I said, that old adhesive, because we're going to put the new one in, new glue. And I don't like using it. It comes with some double tape, but that stuff doesn't stick. So try to scoop out all that old adhesive. And use B7000. Okay. So now let's test our screen. It's right here. Pretty much the job's pretty much done at this point, but I just want to test this. Actually, you know what I like to do? Okay, it's got capped on tape already. Good. So the battery's out. Let's connect this here if you can see that. Okay. Let's just put the battery in. Let's see if this thing turns on. Cool. You can see it's coming on. Might be dead. On. Okay, looks like it was dead. Alright, should be fine. Oh, look at that. Turn turn it on, make sure it's good. You can kind of already see it's like kind of sitting in, right? I don't know why this, okay, we go Samsung. It's already kind of sitting in, really nice and flat already, nice and flush. So that's pretty good. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we're just gonna test the screen. Everything looks like it's gonna be working. Back button menu. Yep. Yep. Okay, so now shut this thing off, and we're gonna basically glue in the screen. But let's put that one piece back in. Okay. Remember that arrow goes this way. Make sure that's nice and flush. Let's see which way this goes in. I think this piece goes in first. Maybe. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe it doesn't go first. Maybe this goes in first. There we go. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that's gonna fall out. So now let's find our B7000 glue. Hopefully this one works. So this stuff likes to dry out. That one's okay. Okay, this one's better. Okay, so pretty much the job's already done. Just gotta get the glue in there. Cool thing about this glue is that, you know, if you get some overspill, you can just use a little alcohol and towel and just wipe it off. Make sure there's no glass with this little piece of glass. Put that glue in there so it sticks. Nice in there because you want this thing to stick. Alright, same thing over here. The frame didn't need to be better. Just be careful on the cameras. You don't want to get glue on the camera. Okay. Enough glue. Okay. All you gotta do is set it in. Make sure that's in nice. And that's in nice. And there you go. It's a pretty easy job. The back plate, and that's the job, that's the repair. I'm going to show you what we use, these little vice grips. So we have different ones. We'll probably put this smaller one on top. Get these over here and just turn it on so you see it's working. That's a Galaxy J Prime. Alright guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, you want to see more. And have a great day. Thanks for watching. Pixel Pros. Bye-bye.